Hi, it's George again from eimports4Less, here this morning filming a short video about a vehicle that just came into us. What we've got here is a 2020 Volvo. This is a V60, it's a cross-country all-wheel drive wagon. So take a quick walk around, tell you a little bit about it. Now this is a 2020 with only 10,000 miles on it, so condition is absolutely excellent. This car's a gray metallic color on the outside. It's got a charcoal color interior on the inside. Take a look at that here in a sec. But really excellent condition. You can tell this is a cross-country wagon just because of the body treatment on it. So fender flares, nice looking wheels, different bumpers, really good looking wagon. So it does have navigation, backup camera, the lane keep, and collision alert, and all the safety stuff that's kind of Volvo's calling card. In addition to that, we do have Harman Kardon Premium audio, which is nice, and then the climate package, so front and rear heated seats and a heated steering wheel. Again, condition-wise, excellent. 2020 car, 10,000 miles. You can see it's in excellent shape. Let's take a look at the interior. It's a dark charcoal, almost black interior here. It's got some fancy stitching on the seats, which you'll see here in a sec. But navigation's there, that's active. Take a look at the interior. Really nice looking. They did a great job. Excellent condition here. You got a scrap of paper on the seat. Let me get rid of that. But really excellent condition overall. You can see that. Again, a 2020 it sure should be. Let's take a look at the back seat. Much of the same, excellent shape overall, dark charcoal. You can see the heated rear seat buttons there on the console. And then the panel roof basically stretches for nearly the size of the whole roof. So really nice options. So again, it's a 2020, 10,000 miles, gray car, charcoal interior. You can see all of the details on our website within the next day or two here at eimports.com. If you're interested in owning this one, you want to buy it before somebody beats you to it, give a call here to the dealership at 215-249-9100. Somebody will help you out. Thanks.